Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Razr 60 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And first of all, before we will start actually, just make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And then go to passwords, passkeys and accounts. Here, let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, obviously. And tap on Next. Just give it a time because it needs to connect with the server, so be patient. And here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you can decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you want to, you can quickly remove it. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.